Semi-automatic nitrogen filling and sealing machine for non-cans. Manual can loading. One button nitrogen filling. Sealing to lock in freshness, economical and practical. Semi-automatic operation, flexible and efficient. The operator manually places the nut cans and presses the start button. The equipment automatically completes nitrogen filling and then sealing the cans, easily meeting the flexible production needs of small batches and multiple branches. The sealing is tight, ensuring no nitrogen loss. The equipment is robust, easy to operate and maintain, making it a practical tool for producing high-quality products such as nuts, dried fruits, and healthy snacks. In an economical way, we infuse every can of nuts with the technological power of long-lasting freshness.